right, everybody, breaking news today. The Haitian government, right, just gave all the gangsters in a place called Gran a 72-hour ultimatum. The Prime Minister said, quote, I gave you guys 72 hours to leave town. If you know that you're not a gangster, or if you know that you guys are not gangsters, get out. Because whoever stays, whatever happens, we're not responsible. Which means, man, there's going to be a blood bath in Haiti in 72 hours. Gran. Elders are saying they're not leaving. Women are saying they're not leaving. Children don't know where to go. Because the confusing part about the situation is this. The government is asking everyone to stay home, to be quarantined because of the COVID-19, right? And that same government is asking everybody to get the fuck out or get shot because they're trying to dismantle all the gangsters. All the gangsters are in trouble. But you know the biggest contradiction that exists in Haiti? You got senators that are part of the government that are giving poor people fully automatic weapons, all right? Fully automatic weapons. AK-47, RPGs, all kind of shit. Let me tell you something. In Haiti, we have something that's called Police Nationale. It's like if you were to translate that in English, if you were to translate it, it'll be like National Police, all right? This is what they call it. So on the weapons that these senators, these corrupt senators are giving to the gangsters, it says Police Nationale on the guns, on the fully automatic weapons. You got big ass, like I'm talking about big time gangsters showing you the guns. All right? With the name of the police on it, with the police title on it, police weapon, police service. All right? You got these senators giving these people guns to go out there and tear the country apart, fuck things up just to make money. You got deputies that are doing this. You know, in the United States, when you say deputy, most people will think we're talking about a police officer. But a deputy, like we call it député, right? This is someone who's a high how can I word it? This is someone who's holding a very powerful position. All right? Okay? So now these people, instead of using the weapons to protect the population, they go to the hood, all right, and distribute weapons and say, hey, get the guns, like in big trucks. So now this is what we have to deal with in Haiti. Now, how are you gonna stop? Tell me, how are you gonna stop the gangs? Say you go to Gran, right? You kill everybody. Say there's no innocent people. Say no innocent people got hurt. It's just the gangsters. You kill all the gangsters in 72 hours. How are you gonna stop the gangs when you have senators that are going to that same place to give them guns to their personal purposes? You gotta understand something. This is a waste of time. I want the world to know I want the whole world to know what's going on. Because this is a disgrace. This is corruption. This is dirty. And this is why Haiti will never move forward, because of these people that you have in Haiti fucking up the country. The ones that you voted for, the ones that you put in power, who were supposed to be there for the people, are fighting against the people by giving the gangsters fully automatic weapons to go bring chaos to the country, man. So this is what you're dealing with, and this is how it's going to be. That's how it's been, and the situation will never change. So if you're praying and hoping that one day Haiti will rise, saying, oh, Haiti will get better, come on. You need to wake up. It's never gonna change as long as you have corrupt politicians living in Haiti, giving gangsters guns, poor people, not gangsters, poor people guns to destroy, to do their will. And whenever that gangster rises up and say, hey, you know what? I don't want to do that shit anymore. I don't want to hurt my own people because every time you give me money, I'm hurting my own people in my own community, and you're just giving me cash. And when I want you to help me, like get a job for a family member or trying to get me out of the country, you ghost on me. You know where to be found. So I don't want to do this anymore. Once you do that, you're going to be labeled as a gangster. They're going to come after you. They're going to kill your ass because they know that you're going to expose their asses. This is Haiti.